To make sure all of our 1.4 million customers receive safe, high-quality drinking water, we use a tried-and-true multi-barrier treatment process at all 4 of our water treatment plants. This process ensures that we not only meet state and federal drinking water requirements, but also advanced industry standards that go above and beyond these requirements. It all starts with Lake Erie, the source of drinking water for Cleveland Water and 11 million people in the US and Canada. Lake Erie is an excellent source of drinking water because of its abundance and consistency. We use 4 water quality monitoring buoys to collect around-the-clock data on lake conditions in the spring, summer, and fall. By monitoring these conditions, we can anticipate and respond to changes in lake water quality hours in advance of the water being drawn into a treatment plant, an important advantage in making sure customers receive the best quality drinking water. Located 3 to 5 miles offshore, a crib protects the top of the pipe into which lake water flows, preventing large pieces of debris from entering the pipe. Beneath the bed of Lake Erie, an intake tunnel, between 7 to 10 feet in diameter and several miles long, brings water to the treatment plant. Near the shore end of the tunnel, we add a chemical called potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate is an oxidant that helps more effectively remove particulates. It also helps control taste, odor, and color as well as quagga mussels and algae. Once at the treatment plant, screens filter out mussel shells, fish, and other large debris before the water enters the treatment process. Raw water pumps pull in the water from Lake Erie to begin the treatment process. At the raw water pumps, we add powdered activated carbon. It adsorbs organic material that can cause unpleasant tastes and odors. Contaminants attach themselves to the carbon granules and settle out in the sedimentation and filtration steps. During the rapid mix step, aluminum sulfate, or alum, is added and quickly mixed into the water stream. Alum is added as a coagulant to help small particles stick together so that they can be removed more easily. Water then moves through 3 zones of mixing, with each zone mixing at a slower speed than the one before, to allow organic and inorganic material to clump together as flock. Next, water moves slowly through large settling basins where the heavy clumps of flock settle to the bottom of the tanks and are removed. The cleaner water passes through the top of the tank to the next phase. At the filters, gravity pulls water through filter media made of 2 feet of anthracite over 1 foot of sand to remove finer impurities. Step 9 is disinfecting and finishing. At this step we add fluoride to promote dental health, orthophosphate to prevent pipe corrosion, and chlorine to kill pathogens. The water then slowly moves through the finished water reservoir to ensure chlorine has adequate time to kill all bacteria and viruses. Finally, the finished water is pumped throughout our service area to customers. Throughout the treatment process, we test the water to make sure each stage is working effectively and only safe, clean water is produced and delivered to customers. Cleveland Water, at your service.